Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a solid day or night wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out all of these products that were sent to me by the Cosmopolitan team as a gift from Miss Claire. I've only tried 2 products from Miss Claire in my entire life. The eyebrow pencil, which I absolutely love. It's one of the best out there, so cheap, so affordable. And I also really like their soft matte lip creams, which are a solid dupe for the NYX lip creams. If you're new here, hi, my name is Preiti. I'm India's first cruelty-free and vegan beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free, which means products that are not tested on animals. And I also cover vegan beauty and lifestyle tips. Now, if this is the kind of content that you like, that you resonate with, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue watching today's video. My skin is already prepped off camera. You guys have already done my skincare routine. It's my basic morning skincare routine. I'm going to leave the link up here in case you haven't watched this video. Please check it out. It's my literal everyday morning skincare routine. All right, let's start with the primer, you guys. The first one that I've received is a moisturizing primer, and the next one is a Lumi Layer 3D Volume Illuminator Primer for all skin types. Okay, we're gonna use this one because I've already moisturized my skin. I don't want it to get too greasy, so we're gonna start with this one. All right, let's start with the Lumi Layer Primer. It's got a very nice luminous finish. I really hope it doesn't make me look greasy though. It's got a very dewy finish, you guys. It looks really nice in person. On camera, it looks a little too oily because the lights are just reflecting it. So I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and see how it feels. Okay, honestly, you guys, I really like how this primer feels on the skin. It doesn't blur out the pores, but it gives you this really nice dewy finish that I'm absolutely loving. So if you have dry skin, you're gonna really like this. All right, let's go in with the concealer, you guys. Now, since I don't have a concealer from the brand in this, I'm gonna be using my Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer from NYX that I've been trying out for the last 2 weeks, and I'm absolutely digging it. So I like to go very minimal with my concealer. I do like to conceal the dark spots, but not too much because I like it when my natural skin is peeking through. I know this looks really funny, you guys, but you do not need a lot of this product. It's a medium coverage and I love medium coverage concealer. So this is all that I do. It gives me a nice lift to my face. Can you see this lift that it just gives my face? I love this technique, you guys. Like, look at this and look at this. The lift is insane. And the concealer right here on my brow bone gives me a lifted brow effect. The reason I conceal here is to cut out all of the redness, because I do have a lot of redness around my mouth. And I put some concealer right here so that the lipstick looks nicer. You know, if there's any slight discoloration around the mouth, it just gets neutralized. I'm going to add a little bit of highlight here to make it look slightly brighter. It's just going to be 2 very small dots. So 1, 2, and that's it. Both of these are from the Can't Stop, Won't Stop range. I really like it, you guys. The HD range of NYX and this one, both of these are amazing. So I'm using my K by Katrina setting powder. It's pretty good, you guys. I don't have the ingredient list on this because the brand never disclosed it, but it's a very good setting powder. Since I don't have a setting powder from Miss Claire, I'm going to be using this one with my PAC Beauty Blender. While my concealer just sets itself, I'm going to be using this one right here from Faces Canada. This is my all-time favorite compact powder. I love compact powders, you guys. Absolutely love them. I'm not a foundation girl. I just can't use foundation. It's just not my thing. And that's it, you guys. Concealer, loose powder, and a good compact powder. That is all that I use for my base in every single video. I don't use foundation. I get this question a lot. Along with this compact powder, I have a bunch of other favorites in the Indian drugstore. If you haven't watched my video, I'm going to leave it right here. It's on all of my favorite drugstore compact powders. Okay, so I've wiped off all of the loose powder, mainly because if I let it bake for too long, it's going to over dry my under eye, and that looks really bad. A lot of people like to do their base as the last step, but for me, I like to do it first, mainly because I don't use foundation and also because I use compact powder and I really needed to settle in with the natural oils and the primer and everything on my skin. So this just helps my base look really nice by the ending of the entire makeup look. Now let's use this palette that I received. It's in number 2 and this is a blush contour highlight palette. I'm going to use these 2 colors right here because they seem pretty appropriate for the kind of makeup look I have in mind. You guys, it does have a lot of fallout. Look at that. I mean, it's Miss Claire, it's budget friendly, so you can't really expect the best formula. But let's see how this looks on the skin. Gonna tap it on the back a bit. Okay, that looks really pigmented. We're gonna tap it on the back because there's a lot of excess and it's gonna look really patchy on the skin and we don't want that. Ooh, okay, it's really pigmented. This is how I like to apply my blush. It is way more pigmented than I expected it to be for such a light shade. I also like to take my blush up a little everywhere so it gives me like a nice rosy look. Now we're gonna lighten this up with a little more compact powder because it's too hard. It's way more pigmented than I expected. Pigmentation is great, you guys, but if it's too pigmented, this is what happens. So let's lighten this up with some compact. I really like the shade though. It looks really nice. I'm gonna use this one to bronze up my face. It's a nice color, you guys, a lot of fallout, but it's not the most warm or the most cool tone. I think it's solid neutral and that's really nice. I know the lines look a little harsh, but we can soften that out with a little bit of compact. I like to add more shadows on my collarbones, mainly because it gives you a very nice effect, you guys. It gives you a nice bronzed feel that I really like. I like how the base has come out. It looks really nice. It's so pink and so sun-kissed. It feels like I've just got like a nice tan. I've just come from the beach. I really like it. I am not the biggest fan of this highlighter, you guys, mainly because it's literally white. It's white, so I don't know how that's gonna look. It's got a pink iridescence to it, just like the primer. It actually looks good on the skin, you guys. Not bad at all. Yeah, it looks really nice. I love the pink iridescence, you guys. It just looks so stunning on my skin. I absolutely love it. I had my doubts about this highlighter, but it looks stunning on the skin. This is very, very good stuff. I love this palette. The highlighter is superb. The bronzer is great. These are very, very pigmented, so a light hand will do you wonders. Very good stuff. I highly recommend this. Even that primer, you guys, it's so beautiful. Both of the products, highly recommend them. Let's do the eyes, you guys. So this is the palette that I've been holding in my hand because it has this beautiful mirror right here and it's got these eyeshadows right here. Just look at that. Such a stunning color story. It's very neutral, very nice for everyday looks, and I think you can easily pull off a nice glam look. Today I'm going to do a soft neutral glam, nothing over the top at all, something that's very wearable. I'm gonna pick this eyeshadow right here, guys. The fallout is next level. I love setting down a neutral color because it really helps create an even base. And I like the fact that this one has a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's nice. It gives me that dewy feel on my eyelids. I'm using these two colors right here for the crease. The fallout is insane in this palette. I'm gonna pick this color right here because it looks like a very stunning champagne rose gold kind of a color. Oh, that looks really beautiful. That's a very nice color. The shimmer does have a little bit of a fallout, you guys. It's not too glittery, it's not too chunky. It has a very minimal fallout, so be a little careful. If you have very, very oily skin or if you've applied foundation, you might want to put a lot of loose powder right here just to be extra careful. I'm using a smaller brush to just highlight the inner corner with the same shimmer eyeshadow because I think it looks really stunning. So I'm gonna use the same crease colors right here on my lower lash line. All the brushes that I'm using, you guys, are from BH Cosmetics and from Makeup Revolution. These are vegan brushes. No animal hair is used. These are synthetic vegan brushes. I think I'm going to use this first one right here. It's a little more brown. Let's use that. I'm going to use this brown and just add a little bit of dimension to the outer area of my eyes. I need to blend out all the harsh edges. I'm now going in with the liquid eyeliner from Miss Claire, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is going to be a precision liner. No, it's not really the most precision liner. It's quite thick, but I think we can work with this. It does pick up a lot of product in the first go though. Let's go. I am not a fan of this eyeliner, you guys. I think the applicator is just very weirdly shaped. I'll try putting in a zoomed in image, but it's just so thick and so flat. It picks up a lot of product. The product itself is very thick and gooey, so it doesn't apply really well. I've had a very difficult time applying this, so I'm going to do the next eye off camera. You cannot do precision eyeliner with this, only thick eyeliner looks. You guys, this eyeliner took me so long to do. The formula is like rubber, like rubbery latex. It's horrible. Very difficult to apply. The applicator is very thick, literally like a paintbrush. I do not recommend this eyeliner. I've already done a video on my favorite liquid eyeliners in India. Do check it out. This is definitely the worst. It was very difficult to apply. Very, very difficult to apply. And it's not going to be the most long lasting because when I was applying it, it was literally peeling off like a peel off eyeliner. Okay, let's do the eyebrows, you guys. So I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil, which is anyway my all-time favorite. The brand sent 2 of these. This is in the shade dark brown. Dark brown and medium brown both look the same on my eyebrows. I absolutely love these eyebrow pencils since years now. I always keep my eyebrow pencils sharpened because you need them to be sharp to get that precision. Let's go in with the mascara. This is the one that I'm using. This is the waterproof mascara. And let's see what the applicator looks like. All right, let's do this. Ooh, that's a very pretty applicator, you guys. It's really thin as well, so it's gonna give us really cool precision. Let's do this. I love it when the tip is slightly longer because you can cover a lot of eyelashes in the first go itself. This is super for the lower lashes, you guys, because the wand is so thin. It is so easy to get to the lower lashes. I really like this mascara. It looks so beautiful. Just opens up your eyes. All right, you guys, I'm going to use the lip scrub sent to me in this box. And the granules of this lip scrub are really fine, so they don't really hurt your lips and they scrub them really well. Also, the reason why you guys are hearing a voiceover in this part is because the sound outdoors was so loud. I didn't want to put you guys through it, so I'm going to do a voiceover just for the next few seconds. I'm going to swatch these lipsticks that were sent to me, and I'm also going to apply my favorite one from all of these. I'm now going in with my lip liner. You all know how much I love my brown lip liners. This one is from Color Bar, and I'm going to fill this in with Vintage Rose lipstick, which I absolutely love. This combination looks divine. And that's it, you guys. This is the entire makeup look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I like this look so much apart from that eyeliner. That was such a waste of my time. I wasted 25 minutes in total just on eyeliner. Very bad formula, you guys. Skip it all together. I love every other product that I've used on my face. Let me know in the comments if you like this makeup look and what were your favorite products from this entire video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did creating it. I will catch you all later, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my previous videos right here, and I will catch you all later. Bye!